If you've ever tried to reposition an anchor point on a transparent image in Adobe Premiere, you know how frustrating it can be. That's why we built Easy Anchor. Let me show you how it works. Simply select your clip, open the Easy Anchor tool, choose a positioning grid for precise placement, and click where you want your anchor point to be. But that's not all. Easy Anchor is also transparency aware, making it perfect for PNGs and other transparent assets. Just enable transparency awareness, and you can place your anchor point exactly where it makes sense, without fighting invisible canvas space. Need more flexibility? Just grab the handle and move the anchor point freely with full control. For even more control, Easy Anchor offers 3 different positioning modes. Clip mode, adjust anchors on individual clips. Selection mode, apply changes to multiple selected clips. Sequence mode, work relative to your sequence for maximum flexibility. An Easy Anchor is only one tool inside Easy Timeline. You also get access to 13+ additional tools designed to help you edit faster in Adobe Premiere Pro.